Hello, we are back. So we're just continuing with this job. We got roof lantern in the last time and a bit of rubber roof on. Just need some fascias and stuff finishing off on there, what the customer's going to do. But this week we are going to get this steel in here, this opening. So we're going to be cutting about 350 back on each side. That's this side and that side. And then on the inside, so it's going to have two steels. So one up front, one on back. We're probably going to start on the front one, which is going to be a lot easier. Anyway, let's just crack on with it and get it done. Right then, we are ready for the steel. That says where it's going there. I've cut some little pad stones there, look. So I'm going to put one in there, one in that end, which is inside that wall. Just managed to get it back 150. We're leaving all this in for now. We're going to put steel in, jack it up, and then I'll put some wedges on the steel that's already there, and then we can build as pad stones in. That steel, there's going to be one at the front, and then we'll give it a day and then we'll come and do the back.
Fucking shit, slow way.
Lift.
I should be able to get it up there, like.
Yeah.
Not that heavy, to be honest. You just got to get that into your hands. Let me get it on my shoulder.
Yeah.
Okay, Josh, let go. Did you turn that up the other way?
Got it.
Yeah, so it's like lengthways here.
I've got to get it in here without trapping my fingers as well.
Yeah, I know. Right.
Right, can you push up a bit there, Josh, on that? Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty. Are you alright? You got enough gap?
Oh, you fucking cunt.
Yeah?
No.
Try and touch it a little bit to me, bro.
No, not the too way. We need
I'm touching here as well.
yeah, that's alright.
Come on, and leave it.
So we need to get this brick out of it here.
Oh, nice. Ah, we just did a little time.
Yeah, just touch it there. What about you?
The jack out, the car, Josh, I'll just put it on there and jack it up.
Just that bottle.
Yeah.
This end's
In line with. Yeah, well, I don't know, it's pretty much there, isn't it?
Well, we are in a while compared to
Yeah, I might put.
that means this steel worth putting straight. Because I literally at the back of the lip of the steel.
Oh, yeah, no.
So,
What's coming out anyway, that. Might put a spread on top of here. Then we could just squeeze it up and then it'll set nicer then, won't it?
yeah.
Yeah, if it fits, so it'll go. It's got bottle jack down there. Just need to make sure this beam is going to go straight. Might be able to lift it. Might be able to just crowbar this end up. I don't know what crowbar is though.
Is the other going for a little bit?
Yeah, go up now. Is that top in straight, yeah? Like that, is it? Is that straight? Yeah, go for it. I have to, what?
Don't
There.
wiggle it.
There, yeah?
No, because bottom's stuck out.
Yeah, well, we can break bottom in once we get it pinned
Yeah.
tight.
Yeah.
Just just get topping. Won't just leave it at that. That on there for now, and then we'll try and.
Pop your fingers away.
Go on.
That's not gonna let you show it.
Yeah.
Squeeze down, slide it good in there.
What we like for level at that?
No.
What is level? Tell me spot on.
Fucking spot on.
Is it?
Literally spot on.
Nice!
What?
Well, listen, as much as you can, Josh, fill it all in.
Watch it.
One of them stick trowels. Right, I'm here on my own today, just going to do a couple of hours, take these two pillars out. I've had a tooth out, so I'm just going to get that checked up today, so they've got day off. Right, I've got that side down. I might take those out before I put that side and go that way with chiselling. I left those in because there's a kitchen there. So I might just, I think I'm going to take those out and chisel that way because it's going to be a bit hard this. Do that. See if I can get this in. Yeah. Oh, good. What's happening? It's always stuck. Oh, these are a bit.
Although Israel teams won at the Qatar is mediating negotiations which are continuing today in Doha. Any deal could see the release of hostages and the delivery of aid to Palestinians. Naomi Bar Yaakov is an international negotiator and an expert in the Middle East.
They could have reached a deal in one day whereby all hostages are released.
The Saracens' second row replaced previous skipper and teammate Jamie George. That's the latest.
Well, that wasn't that easy on your own. Right, ready for tomorrow. Right, I got it all prepped yesterday. Tim's back today. Our Josh is off. It's his birthday today, but he says he's badly like, but he could. I asked him if he wanted a day off anyway. So he's got today off, so we're gonna have to lift other steel and buy with two of us, which is gonna be a bit harder, but we'll get there. Right, we'll knock these out. I pre-drilled them all yesterday, look, so they should come out pretty easy. Then I put this up before I left because it's nearly falling down now.
You know when you just don't want to let go because you know that's what's going to happen. You need to swing your end in that way. needs to go up though, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah?
Well, it's just hanging on the edge of this block by like a mill.
Yeah, it's perfect. Perfect where I want it. Put it onto this bench first. Yeah. Yeah.
Whoa, see what I mean? As soon as he let go.
Ooh la la.
What?
Yeah. Right. You get that in, I'll try and. Oh God. Have you got that on set?
Yeah, so.
Can I put these somewhere?
Yeah, on there.
It's not going up, is it? Oh. Yeah, got it.
This is gonna work like.
Too early on the morning for this shit.
That block out for snap would have been alright.
Right, anyway. So
I'm just thinking, like, can I shuffle my way this way with you and keep it tilted that way?
I don't know. Probably be alright to be fair.
Right.
Right, anyway, I'll scream if not.
Yep. Oh. Something there.
That's the hard bit done, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh, God.
Come in handy, these little jacks, aren't they? So we've got it up there, look, we're just going to try and pin it up. So when chief?
I think you're just pumping through the bottom of the thing there, to be honest with you. No, you're tilting off, look. You're tilting off. You're just pushing through the bottom of wood there.
I think we need a board on here.
Yeah.
Right, alright, the bottle jocks, aren't they? So we just jacked that up to there. Then we're probably going to take this prop out, put it under that one, and then to that prop out, put it under there. Yeah, you're alright, yeah. We'll put it under that side of the steel now. No, it's level light now, but it's been a bit of a pain. Pain, this back one. Right, we're going to put a wedge in there as well. So that ain't taking weight no more. Then we'll take this prop out and put it under there, and then we've got it fully odding everything then. Hopefully these will fit. Try and get sticky.
You just knocked it all off, mate.
Yeah, I need to pack it now under there because that Brock's chip, that's all. Got a bit of slate. It's outside, isn't it? Try to pack the sand up with some slate, and then once it's set it'll be alright, like. There we go. There. I'll leave it overnight to set like. Hammer. That's like pulling these blocks are absolutely crap. What I'll do is I'll fill all that round then. And then I will slate from the on top bit as well down so it pins it all in. Got that one in as well, look. That, pretty much done. Put a few more slates in. So that's it, that's done. We just need to take these props out another day. Got them in, look. I've filled down these edges as well, squared all them up. made it look a bit better. Then, oh yeah, we're a little lower on this one, like 10mm low, but I couldn't go any higher with that. So that's it. If you like this one, make sure you subscribe and give us a like. Drop us a comment if you want. This is next week's job. Well, we're starting it today actually. We're just going to chisel all these out and what have you. Then we'll do a video bricking all this up and pretty much to go. You can see this brickwork's pretty much drying out now. It's all going grey, so black, pure black. It was at start and now it's starting to grey up. This side's still a little black look where it's drying out, but hopefully in the next video it'll have dried out a bit more and should be good to go. Right, we'll do some brickwork in next one. I'll see you later.